That's why someone who wasn't initially interested might develop feelings. Self-respect. Find physical activities you enjoy and make doing something they're passionate about and skilled in. Turns out she found Section 3. Now let's talk about but with genuine interest in who she is. Here's how. Find example. So, do you like movies? Generic. Yeah. Cool, me too. Good example. demonstrate competence, excel at the things you do, hobbies, competence is attractive, but it should be observed. Brag about specific, thoughtful compliments about choices she's made, rather than paying attention to the points you of old photos can create additional touch points for connection. Can be signs of growing interest. Maintain perspective. Remember that focusing on genuine friendship first and being patient, their connection understand, so you can either move forward together or individually. Section 8. It's crucial to approach attraction. Let's address some of the emphasize this point. Genuine attraction can't be forced or manipulated. The goal while respecting Don't blame yourself for not being good enough or them for not seeing your value. Compatibility is complex, and lack of romantic connection doesn't diminish either person's worth. Extract the lessons. Ask yourself honestly if there are patterns in your interactions that might benefit from adjustment. This isn't about changing who you are, but about growing as a person. Maintain dignity. How you handle rejection says a lot about your character. Responding with grace rather than bitterness demonstrates emotional maturity. Redirect your energy. Focus on other relationships and pursuits that bring fulfillment. Sometimes the best way to move forward is to invest in other areas of your life. Remember that everyone experiences rejection at some point. What matters most isn't whether you face rejection, but how you respond to it and what you learn from the experience. Conclusion. We've covered a lot of ground today, from self-improvement to building genuine connections to knowing when to move forward or let go. Let's summarize the key points. 1. Focus first on becoming your best self through authentic growth. 2. Create opportunities for genuine connection through meaningful interaction. 3. Demonstrate value through your actions and character, not showing off. 4. Signal interest subtly and respectfully. 5. Be patient and maintain perspective. 6. Watch for reciprocal interest before making direct moves. 7. Always prioritize respect and ethical behavior. 8. Learn and grow from rejection if it occurs. Remember that the most meaningful connections often develop naturally when we're focused on genuine growth and authentic interaction rather than techniques or strategies. The truth is, there's no guaranteed formula for attracting someone specific. People are complex and chemistry is unpredictable. But by focusing on becoming your best self and creating opportunities for genuine connection, you maximize the chances of finding mutual attraction, whether with this person or someone else you haven't met yet. If there's one thing I want you to take from this video, it's this. Approach relationships with authenticity, respect, and an open heart. The right connections will flourish from that foundation. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos on relationships, personal growth and social skills. Drop a comment below sharing your own experiences or questions about creating authentic connections. Until next time, thanks for watching.